topic is affiliate marketing. Before that, I want to tell you that I would be including the key of success, how to manage the affiliate marketing, what is the history about affiliate marketing, and how you can earn money with the help of affiliate marketing. First of all, I would be briefing what is affiliate marketing. In other words, we can say that affiliate marketing is to earn money with the help of to promote a different company, product or a services. Affiliate marketing is a non-extensive partnership, pay for performance. If you perform well, you will get the better pay. It will increase the percentage of sale, and in this, the partner, the person for you who are the affiliate, the person will give you the content and the affiliate will be start working. There is some history about affiliate marketing. This concept was started in 1983, and this concept was started by Mr. William J. Tobin. What he does, he owns one flowers company and he wants to increase his sales. So he had a word with the company guy, the Pradigue Network. What he does, he asked him to promote their product, and so that the sale of the flowers get more. And in 1998, the William has earned around 6 million per year. He was earning with the help of his affiliate, and he also paying to the Pradigue Network. And what you can do, which products you can deal. It could be a book, it could be a service, it could be anything, e-book, satellite. In this picture, I want to give you focus. I want to explain something in this picture. This is a person, the partner, and he is an affiliate. What he is doing, he wants to earn more money, he wants to be number one in his business. So he takes help for this guy, he asks him to promote his product, and he promises him to give some commission. It's affiliate marketing. What he is doing, he is doing affiliate marketing. Now, how affiliate can earn money? This is a business, this is an affiliate program. What is as I have explained before, he asked him to promote the business, my business, and with the help of him, sell my products. If the sale will be done, he will be paying some commission to him, and this circle will go on. His business will be in success. He also earning money. It's kind of one program. Now, how you can become an affiliate? It's a very simple task. For example, you want to be affiliate for Flipkart. Just go, click on Google, become an affiliate for Flipkart. Click on that. Register over there. It's a free of cost. You just have to give your name, your email ID, your contact details, your address, your area code, your banking details, so that if you help them to sell their products, you will get some commission on your bank details. As sir has given his example, he is an affiliate for Flipkart. What he is doing? He is selling their books. First he posts the books ads on his website, and if I am the customer, I want to buy some books, I am searching on his website. I am visiting his website and I saw some Flipkart books, some digital marketing books. I click on that, it directly landed to the Flipkart page and I buy it. Flipkart has earned his sale, sir also earns something. Sir will get some 10% from the price. Now, key to success, how you can become a good marketer or a good earning person. The product should be right, the service would be right, your mailing list, your contacts would be very strong, so that you can contact the people also that this I am doing, and you can visit on my website and take the opportunity. Now, as I was talking about the Flipkart, this is a Flipkart page. You can click on register, give all your details and become a affiliate for Flipkart. Now there is some affiliate marketing strategies. First of all, you know your product very well. For example, I'm affiliate for books or electronic items. For example, let I take the example of smartphone. I know what I should have all the knowledge about the smartphone, what is about, and the most important thing is that you should know your audience. Most of the time, in today's time, the youngsters are going for smartphones. So you should know about them, which person you are targeting, what is the age group, male, female, etc. You should know everything. Second thing, it's a slang, it's a kind of slang. Don't put your all eggs in one basket. This means that if you are not getting money from this, you are not getting anything from Flipkart, nobody is taking their products and you can't make the profit. So don't stick on Flipkart. You can go to another website, you can register over there and you can sell their products. This means that don't stick on one thing, immerse yourself. Seek knowledge and embrace the change. This is a very simple thing. If you are good in internet marketing, sit on internet, give some hours, do something and immerse the chance and to immerse yourself. And the last and very important thing, don't give up. Don't demoralize. If you are not getting anything, don't demoralize. Keep practicing. You will be number one at one time in affiliate marketing. Now, this is a very straightforward PPT. In this, how customer get to know about the product, what he will do. As I given the example of sir. For example, I have my website. For example, sports equipment website. I'm dealing in sports equipment. But from Amazon, one guy come to me that he asked me, he approaches me that I want to immerse my sale in the smartphones and tablets. We had a kind of contract, and I posted the products on my website. What the customer do? For example, a guy, 18-year guy, visit my website. He searched all these equipments. What he saw? He saw one smart tablet. He was planning to buy a tablet. He click on a tablet. It will be landed to Amazon, and he buy it. Amazon emerges sale. I also get something, and I am also earning some income with the help of affiliate marketing. So my references for the data is I use the secondary data. I visit affiliatemarketingguru.com, google.com, some data from SlideShare and some Google images. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have any query, you can ask me.
Questions, guys? So we decided to give a question. Any questions? Okay. I have a question. There was one image which you had used. Affiliate, organization, business.
Program.
Affiliate program. Yeah, it's an affiliate organization or program. Same thing. So do you know any organization which runs affiliate program? Did you get to know?
Yeah, Flipkart is running right now.
Flipkart is a business.
Is a business, and he also running some kind of affiliate program.
Right. So they have their own affiliate program.
Yeah.
Sometimes some businesses actually outsource their affiliate stuff to any specific company.
It depends sometimes. If, for example, I want to do outsource for something for a particular company. For example, I want to outsource for Amazon. If they could pay Flipkart something, so it could be possible. If Amazon is not paying, why should I be outsourcing for him? Because everyone wants to earn money. Affiliate can direct approaches the website. For example, I want to be affiliate. What I will do? I will go to direct Flipkart and register. If sometimes happen, they got some data and they also approaches any affiliate. So it depends on the situation. If they want to do outsource, they can. If they want to earn money. If I want to outsource and I'm not eager to earn money, so what I will do, I will say yes, okay, I can outsource for your website.
What is the eligibility for these businesses to, when you actually sign up as an affiliate in those businesses? What sort of eligibility criteria?
Sir, they ask for the website, your website. Because if they will know your website, you can't promote any product. And the website should be, but nowadays I try to sign up in Flipkart. They ask for a website, now it is easily registered.
Yeah.
Because before it was like that, your website should be 3 months or 4 months old, but now it can directly, you can be a affiliate direct. This is the main important eligibility to be affiliate. There should be a website, and you should know the internet marketing, or you should have some knowledge of the internet marketing. And that's the main eligibility criteria, and you can earn money from this. And I want to say one thing, affiliate marketing is also can be used as a make money. Anyone who is good in internet and he wants to earn money and be a business good entrepreneur, I can also say he can go for affiliate marketing. Thank you.
Thanks.